Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys could check them out. Link is going to be down below. Go get one of these at a low cost. Fast and free shipping. All you gotta do is add it to your cart. Check out now. If you like this one, also check out the other sizes or other styles they have. So we shall see what's inside. Thank you guys for watching. It is July now, so we are on a roll. What do we have here? Hey, get out of here. Oh boy, what is this? USB operated LED TV lighting. Whoa. Got the remote. Got red, blue, orange, dark blue, green, purple. PANGTON Villa. So check them out. You want to put some LED lighting in your home, or this is for your TV? Yeah, this is for your TV. 46 to 50 inch. Or actually, up to 60 inch. Do it that way. Okay, so if you do it this way, it'll be 4850. If you do it this way, so I got a 50 inch, so that could be good on either one of these. LED, control mode, 24 keys. And let's take a look inside. Here they are. Here's one strip. And these are easy to install, so ooh, something different. It's a nice protective cover. You don't usually see on these, so that's really cool. Come on out. There we go. I don't think we need this. Put that to the side. Yep, empty. Still light out, so I mean I might wait till a little bit later. There's a USB. And to install it, what do we got here? More connectors. So you can add on too. Ah. I think this will be fine for back where I'm going to need it. So you just do connect. But we could test it out. And now, show you guys. See how bright these are. But like I said, it's still daytime. Amazon came early today. But, okay, that's that. Here's the remote, standard remote. As you see on many of these LED lights. She's ready to rock. Obstruction. Okay. Yep, standard remote. And then, like I said, these are the extra connectors you could add on to. But she's plugged in this way. I'm not sure what size this was either. It was for 40 and 60 inch up to. We're gonna find a USB spot. Be right back. Oh, these guys are pretty bright. Got a little darker out, so there's that color. Now we got the remote. Wrong way. Okay, there we go. You can do... Oh, you can dim it. Make it super bright. Off, on. Red. G is for green. Alright, blue. It's nice looking blue. brighter, darker. We got like an orange. See it off the desk. Yeah, turquoise, teal. This is purple. Yellow. Another blue. Another purple, deep purple. Another yellow. Different type of blue. Another purplish, getting there. I'm at right down here now. Green. It's kind of orangish. Blue. And now we got smooth. Oh, it changes it slowly. Fade away. Should fade. There it goes. Strobe. Close your eyes for a second. Oh, it's not too bad. Ain't nothing. That would be a crazy strobe. Alright, this is flash. Kind of like Christmas lights. Here's white balance you could do. Blue. So that's about it for that part. We're going to go on the TV. I'm going to set it up because I got the sticky 3M right in the back. So should be easy. Oh man, fumble. Should be easy one, guys. I'll be right back. YouTube magic. Alrighty guys, we are back. We got it set up. Looking pretty good. Here's the remote. Gotta make sure it's not blocking the sensor. So I gotta move the sensor around. There's a green. So really cool. Instead of staring at the screen during your binge watching, this will help reduce your eye strain staring at the screen. So let's see. I think that's strobe. Oh, that's pulse. So that's pretty cool. There you go. Alright guys, check them out. Link will be down below for purchase. You guys be safe. Have a good night. See you guys soon.